Namaste and very good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
First of all, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Global Spoken English for imparting us the art of public speaking. My name is Supriya Gond. I live in Ghosi. My father's name is Mr. Rajesh Kumar Gond. I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today, I am going to deliver a speech on importance of education. Before starting my speech, I want to speak some beautiful lines in English. The root of education is bitter. The root of education is bitter, but fruit is always sweet. I want to speak some beautiful lines in Hindi. सीढ़ियाँ उन्हें मुबारक जिन्हें छत तक जानी है. सीढ़ियाँ उन्हें मुबारक जिन्हें छत तक जानी है. मेरी मंजिल तो आसमान है, रास्ता मुझे खुद बनाना है. सफलता मिले या ना मिले, यह किस्मत की बात है. सफलता मिले या ना मिले, यह किस्मत की बात है. पर हम कोशिश भी ना करें, यह गलत बात है. Now I am going to start my speech. My speech is importance of education. Without proper education, we can't expect success in life. Education is the method to acquire knowledge and skill. Some desire to become doctors, some want to become engineer, and this dream can be fulfilled through proper education. Education prepares the children for the future so that they can contribute towards the development. It also enhances the social and moral value of a person and make him more sensible, tolerant, helpful, and empathic. Everyone must be educated. I want to speak some beautiful lines in English. You cannot change your future. You cannot change your future. You can change your habit. And surely your habit change your future. I want to speak some beautiful lines in Hindi. वो शौक भी पूरे होंगे, वो इरादे भी पूरे होंगे. कि वो शौक भी पूरे होंगे, वो इरादे भी पूरे होंगे. तुम मेहनत तो कर रात में, देखिए वे ख्वाब भी पूरे होंगे. I went up my speech. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day.